Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Yusuf and Sarah's Fun World. Say hi guys. Today we're doing a fun challenge. Yes, we're doing a very fun challenge. It is squishy versus real. Hi, Sarah wanted to say hi. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Are you excited, Yusuf?
Yeah.
Are you excited, Sarah? Okay, and this is our first item right here. Surprise for Yusuf and Sarah. They don't know what's under the bowl, and now we're gonna get them to open.
Yes.
Okay, this is for Yusuf. 1, 2, 3, open it. Open yours, Yusuf. Oh, Yusuf got the squishy strawberry. And apparently he wants the real stuff. Oh, they're switching. What's that?
Get it.
Squishy. What is it, a strawberry? So I guess Yusuf didn't want the squishy and they switched. Is it yummy?
Yes.
Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Sarah's pretending to eat it. Good job, guys. Are you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Let's go. Now we have our second item. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Okay, give them. 1, 2, 3, open it. Ta-da! Oh, it's the cake. Okay, I got the cake squishy. Let me see. Yeah, it has strawberries on it. And Yusuf, the cake, yummy cake. Is it yummy, Yusuf?
Please.
Squeeze.
Have all these.
Yay, it's so squishy.
And squishy. Bite.
Oh, how sweet Yusuf is sharing.
Bite.
Third set. 1, 2, 3, flip it. Ta-da! Wow! Sarah got the real ice cream and Yusuf got the squishy. Again, they're sharing. Sharing is caring. Do you like your squishy? Wow! Are you pretending, Yusuf? Squishy ice cream! I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!